Don't bite. So come over here. Turn it around. See, touch right there.
That's not good.
I'm kidding. Look. See? Okay, come here. Come here. Touch right here. Look, I'm gonna let you hold it. I'm gonna let you hold it so I won't scare you. It's fake. It's just plastic. That's it. But be careful. In 5 seconds, it'll turn to life. 1, 2. Oh. She dropped it.
Stop it.
That was worse.
Alyssa! Alyssa!
No, come on.
Alyssa!
You reading? You reading?
No.
No?
No.
Now. She needs to tell you something.
You love me? No!
They want a kiss.
Oh, you nasty girl.
They want a kiss.
We'll scare you. Oh. Wanna scare you? Huh?